Yeah, welcome back, students, to another second session, wonderful session of time value of money. In the first session, we have completely revising our time value of money chapter. Before getting into the second session, I will just see you just revising the first session orally. First session is we have studied while starting a time value of money problem. We have started two things. One is interest, one is annuity. In interest, simple interest, compound interest, and effective rate of interest. In simple interest, interest is calculated annually, principal remains the same, interest is calculated, remains the same for every year. Main things, P denotes principal, A denotes amount, NRT denotes number of years, R denotes rate of interest, and another way to express the R is a capital R is, another way to express is a small I. Okay, that is rate of interest and small I. Okay, and we have seen the formula PRT by 100, PNR by 100, PNI. If I want to know the amount P plus I, if I derive this P plus I, P into 1 plus NI, that is also another way. We have seen this so many things. Okay, we have seen so many things. This is a basic problem, and we are working 5 to 6 example problems also. Okay, now we will getting into the ICA study material, and if anything new, we will study it and we will go through it. Okay, what is the first question which has been given to you, Atmika? Kindly read this question. Simple interest is 3,500 for 3 years at 12%. Is just take a calculator and simply do 3,500. Do along with me 3,500 into 3 into 12 percentage button. You will end up with 1,260. That's all. P is 5,000, R is 15, T is 4 1 by 2 using PRT by 100. They are asking to find out what? PRT by 100. So you can do 5,000 into R 15 into T 4 into 1 by 2. If it is 1 by 2, shall I say 4.5? Shall I say 4.5? Yes, so take a calculator, 5,000 into 15% into 4.5 equal to 3375. That's all. Interest will be 3375. Okay. P is equal to 5,000, T is equal to 1, I is equal to 300. They are asking R. What is the formula I have given to you, Atmika? R is equal to I by P into 100. I by P into 100 is nothing but 300 divided by 5,000. 300 divided by 5,000 is what? Nothing but 6%. It's nothing but what? 6%. Okay. Fourth question. If P is equal to 4,500, A is equal to 7,200, what is the interest? You can simply know, no? A is equal to P plus I. A is 7,200 equal to P plus I, you don't know, but P you know, 4,500 plus I. Just simply, if you are seeing this question, 7,200 minus 4,500, you will getting your answer 2,700. What is the fifth sum? Atmika, can you read this fifth sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
P is equal to 12,000, A is equal to 16,500, T is equal to of years, rate percent per annum, simple interest will be.
They are asking 2.5 years. If they are given, what is I think what I will say to you? Just find the difference between two. Just find the difference between two. I will give you simply 12,000. What is the difference between two? 4,500. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
What is the principal value?
12,000.
Just do it. Multiply and by 100. What is the answer?
Three 37.5.
No, just a minute. Yeah, here, what is the one more thing? Now here is a time. If they are given 2.5 years, no, here there is only 1 year. Then this formula is right. Okay, then this formula is right. If it is 2.5 years, just multiply it by 2.5. Here, 12,000 into 2.5. Just do it. 12,000 with one step in a calculator, you can do 12,000 into 2.5 into 100 plus equal to button. Now it is in denominator. Okay, now you are going to take it to a numerator. Put divided by equal to into 4,500. What is the percent? 0.0149. So if you multiply by 100, it will giving you 15%. Okay, it has been given you how much percent? 15% you have been given. It has been given to you. Okay, then sixth question.
P is equal to 20,000, I is equal to 2,500, R is equal to 12.5%. Simple interest. The number of years T will be.
Okay, number of years P will be. So shall I give you some more better formula to have a good grip? Some more better formula to have a good grip.
Yes, sir.
You can do with simple interest divided by P into time taken into 100. If R they ask, if they ask T, SI into P into rate of interest into R. Okay. This is also I means what? Simple interest only, na? So now you can approach this sum. P is equal to 10,000, I is equal to 2,500, R is equal to 12.5%. What is the T they are asking? Just do it. Without my help, you can easily do now. What you are going to do? Take simple interest 2,500 divided by what is the principal? 10,000 time you don't know, but rate of interest you know. There's nothing but what? 12.5 into 100. Do it. Okay. 2,500 divided by 1,25,000 into percentage. It will give you how many? It will give you how many years? 2 years, right? It will give you how many years? 2 years, right?
2 years.
Yes, 2 years. Then P is equal to 8,500, A is equal to 10,100. The difference between the interest is how much? 10,200 minus 8,500. Interest is how much? 1,700. 1,700 if they're given. What they are asking? They are asking to find out T. So 1,700 divided by 8,500 into rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? 12.5%. You can directly put percentage also. 8,500 into 12.5 percentage. It is nothing but 1062.5. 1062.5. 1,700 divided by 1062.5. 1062.5 is the value. So if you divide this, what is the value you are getting? 1.6. What they have given? 1.6. Shall I say 1.6 is equal to, okay, 1.6 is equal to, here I am writing down, okay, 1 year plus 0.6 na, 0.6 into 12. Is it right? This way is right or wrong? 0.6 into 12. Is it right? No. So it has been given 1 year plus 7 months. 7.2 it will give. You can put it as 7 months. So 1 year, 7 months is your answer. Don't put directly state 1.6 means is nothing but 1.5 years. It is not a correct way. So in this, it is an important question. Mark it down. You can also do it in one more method. This 7 sum, mark it down. I will approach in my OneNote session. Okay, I will give you. The sum required to earn monthly interest of 1,218%. What is a simple interest is? How much money I am required to earn a simple interest of 1,200? Okay, what is the price I need as a principal to earn an interest of 1,200. I know. For 1 year they are asking. To earn a monthly interest of 1,200. Okay, monthly interest of 1,200. What I'm going to do? Just I'm going to choose with trial and error method. That is the best easy method, time consuming, faster method. Take option B. Take a calculator. 60,000 into 18%. Take for 1 year into 1. What is the value? 10,800 for whole year. That is nothing but for 12 months plus divided by 12. What you are getting? What you are getting, Atmika? Are you doing along with me?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
last one is
Take a calculator. I'm repeating. Take a calculator. If we are going to use trial and error method, we will avoid option A and we will directly choose with option B. Okay, that is 60,000. Take a 60,000 in a calculator. That is your principal amount. You already know the rate of interest. It is nothing but 18%. It's come to 10,800. We are going to calculate only for 1 year simple interest. Multiply by 1. It is obviously going to be 10,800. Interest is only 10,800 for whole year. That is for per annum. If it is per annum, it is 12 months. Is it right? Is it right? So 10,800 is for 12 months means they are given only for a monthly interest of 1,200. So we will divide it by 1,200. What is the value? What is the value?
9.
900. 900. So 1,200 won't come. So option B is wrong. We will choose with option C. Option C is what? 80,000. 80,000 into 18% is nothing but what? 14,400. Okay, it's for whole year. Now we are going to only for 1 month. So divided by 12. What is the value? 12,200. 1,200. So option C is correct. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you do this 9 sum? Can you give the steps? I can quickly do it. Here I can quickly do it now. 9 sum is easy now. P is equal to 7,400 for how many years?
For 3 years.
3 years, 7,400 for 2 years. It is 6,200. Difference is 1 year. Thus, the difference is 1,200. So, shall I say interest is equal to 1,200
Yes, sir.
minus 1,200 minus 1,200. It is nothing but 2,400. 6,200 minus 2,400. It is nothing but my principal value is 3,800. Once you have find out, your answer is already done. But here there is a none of this option also. Maybe the rate of interest may change. So for a better confirmation purpose, we will go with rate of interest. What is the formula? I by P, simple interest divided by P into 100 I have given you because it is for 1 year, no. The difference is 1 year, no. So that this formula is applicable. If the difference is for 2 years or 1.5 years means we need to multiply by 1 or 1.5 like this. Okay, so it is nothing but what is the simple interest? What is the simple interest? 1,200 divided by 3,800 into percentage. What is the value? 12,200 divided by 3,800 percentage. It is nothing but how much? 31.57 or 58 percentage. So option A is correct. Then shall we go with option 10th question? 10th question. The sum of money doubles itself in 10 years. The number of hits it triples itself. How we are going to find out? How we are going to find out? Any sum of money doubles itself in 10 years. They are simply given. If they say doubles itself in 10 years, doubles means 100 by R. 10 years is only given. So you will substitute this R is equal to 10%, right? 100 divided by T, therefore equal to R. So 100 divided by 10 is equal to R equal to 10%. I know that now percentage. What is triples itself means? 200 by 10. 200 divided by 10 is nothing but 20 years. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand it? Yes. Very good. Now, what we are going to do now, I will give you the alternative method for which question? 7th question. Okay, I will give you the final alternative method for this question. Hope my OneNote is visible to you, right? My OneNote is visible to you, right? Is it visible or not? Atmika, I am asking you, is it visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. R is equal to 12.5%. They are asking time. T is equal to what? I know the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus RT by 100. So I will substitute this. I know 10,200 is equal to 8,500. 1 plus R rate of interest is 12.5 into T I don't know divided by 100. So if I solve this, okay, if I solve this 0 0 with gets cancel, 0 0 with gets cancel. Okay, 12.5. Okay, 12.5 and 12.5 will gets cancelled. Okay, if it is cancelled by 8, if it is cancelled by 6, and 85 is cancelled by 5. Okay, 12.5. If you cancel this and you have been end up with 6 equal to 5 into 8 into 8 plus t divided by t. Sorry, 8 plus t divided by 8. So if I done this, this 8 will come to this side. 48 is equal to 5 8s are 40 plus 5t. Okay, if I done this, 8 is equal to 5t. T is equal to 1.6. So time is equal to 1 year plus 0.6 months into 12. The same thing. 1 year, 7 months will be your answer. Any method you can choose. You can choose this that method or you can choose that method. Any method you can approach. This actually 200. Okay, 8,500 divided by 1 plus 12.5 into t divided by 100. Either this we can do it and we can cancel it in different way. The method of cancelling you already know. Okay, you can do it in any method to cancel this and you can derive your answers. With this entire simple interest problem is over. You have a doubt why I am not doing your ICA study material example question. Okay, that is and all a very simple thing. You can do it in a calculator itself. This most of the sum we have discussed it. The same type of sum we have discussed. So I'm not going to do this. You can do it. And if you have any doubts, you can approach me. Okay, don't approach this kind of formula. Don't, whatever the formula which I taught you, you should apply this formula and you can learn it. Don't follow the by ICA book method. They can use different formulas for different questions. But you have a systematic procedure now. You can follow this systematic procedure. Okay. With this, your entire simple interest concept will be getting over. Okay. See you in another wonderful session on next session will be on compound interest and effective rate of interest. See you in another session. Hope this 1 hour of learning will help you to score 3 to 4 marks in your main examination. If it is really helpful for you now, it will be better. Okay. Practice on daily basis. Okay. If once the lecture is for 1 hour, you should at least practice for 30 minutes. Just revise this. Just recall this. Just remember the formula. Based on the question, approach it and derive your answers. Okay. See you in another session. Have a good day. Thank you.